Today I'll be showing you how to add socials on card. To start, click on Add Elements. This will open the list of elements that you can add to your card. Next, choose the button option. Once the button is added, click on it so you can edit its settings. Change the button title to the name of the social media platform you want to add, such as Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. After that, paste the URL of your social media account into the link field. You can then adjust the appearance of the button to match your card's design. Customize the size, color, and placement so it fits nicely with your layout. When everything looks good, click Done to save your changes. And that's how you add socials on card. Thank you for watching.